Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Monopoly Go with friends in 2026 in a very easy way. So let's get started. First, open the Monopoly Go app on your mobile phone. Once the game opens, you will be on the main screen. At the bottom of the screen, you will see different options. Now find the Friends option and tap on it. Here you will see your Friends section. In the middle, you will see a friend code or invite code. This code is used to add your friends. Simply copy the code or share it with your friend. Now your friend needs to open Monopoly Go on their device. They should go to the same Friends section and tap on the search option. Here they will see a text box where they can enter the code you shared. After entering the code, your friend will appear in your friend list. Now you can play Monopoly Go together, send gifts, and enjoy the game with your friends. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.